Welcome to the innovative world of underwater exploration, where technology meets nature in fascinating ways. Today, we dive into the depths with German underwater robotics company Robotics and their groundbreaking creation, the Quadroin Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, or AUV. First unveiled in May 2021, the Quadroin turned heads with its unique, penguin-like design. But there's more to this sleek AUV than meets the eye. Inspired by years of research on penguin locomotion, Robotics has crafted a marvel of hydrodynamic efficiency. At just over a metre in length and weighing less than 55 pounds, the Quadroin is both nimble and efficient. Propelled by 4 horizontal thrusters arranged in an X-shaped configuration, the Quadroin navigates underwater environments with precision. Its spindle-shaped contour maximizes hydrodynamic efficiency, allowing speeds of up to 5 meters per second. Upon surfacing, the Quadroin reveals its ingenious design. An automatically collapsible multifunctional antenna extends its endurance and communication range, while a surface communication module ensures seamless interaction with operators above water. In collaboration with Huron for the Helmholtz-Association's Moses program, the Quadroin is equipped to collect georeference data on physical water characteristics. Conductivity, oxygen, temperature, pressure, and fluorescence are just some of the parameters it can measure. But Robotics didn't stop there. The latest generation of Quadroin comes with enhanced functionalities. Acoustic seabed imaging, side-scan sonar, and Full HD underwater cameras with LED lights allow for detailed exploration. Thanks to an AI-driven object recognition module, the Quadroin can detect objects in real time, facilitating mission success. Automatic collision avoidance ensures safe navigation through underwater obstacles. And for maximum performance, the propulsion and hardware systems have been overhauled using next-generation parts. The Nortec Nucleus 1000 and complete subsea navigation package ensures dependable vehicle management. The future of underwater exploration is here. Contact Robotics for pricing and join us as we dive into a new era of discovery with the Quadroin Autonomous Underwater Vehicle.